Water damage causing stains or sagging on your walls or ceiling is something you want to handle fast before it gets way worse and messes up your whole space. So, first off, you gotta find where that leak is coming from. Could be a busted pipe, a roof problem, or even clogged gutters. Once you find it, stop the water flow by fixing the leak or turning off the main water supply if it's plumbing. Next, you'll want to get rid of any drywall that's soaked or sagging because it's basically trash now and can grow mold. When you rip out the damaged drywall, make sure to wear gloves and a mask, because wet drywall can be nasty and full of mold spores. After that, let the area dry out completely, like use fans or a dehumidifier to speed things up. Then, cut and install new drywall to replace what you took out, making sure it fits tight and screws in well so it won't sag again. Don't forget to tape and mud the seams so it looks smooth and ready for paint. Finally, paint over the new drywall with a primer that blocks stains so those watermarks don't pop back up later. One of the biggest mistakes with water damage stains or sagging drywall is ignoring the source of the leak. You fix the wall but not the leak, and the problem comes right back. Another common issue is rushing to put new drywall up before everything is dry. This traps moisture and leads to mold, which sucks for your health and wallet. A third problem is using regular paint instead of a stain-blocking primer, so those ugly water stains bleed through the fresh paint and ruin your hard work. To fix these, always track down and repair leaks first. Wait until the area is bone dry before replacing drywall, and invest in a good primer made for covering water damage stains. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the headache of endless searching. It also gives contractors a solid platform to connect with people who need their skills, making it easier to get work and grow their business.